guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to install a Visualmodo WordPress theme in 2025, okay? Into a simple, fast and effective method. So, first thing, you need to go to visualmodo.com. You can go to products and you can purchase all our WordPress themes. You can purchase a package, you can purchase anything that you want. We have two options. We have single themes or membership. If you purchase a membership, you're gonna have a file with all of our products. If you purchase a single WordPress theme, you're gonna have a file with all the WordPress themes files and these themes only, okay? Simple, right? After this, to download your products, you need to go on your account, review the upper right corner of your screen. There is this account icon, click on it. You're gonna be redirected to this page. You can create your account, register. This is usually to happen when you create your order, okay? You can create your account while making your purchase. And you're gonna need to log in to your account. You can use the lost password in the case that you don't forget your password, okay? Nothing to worry. After, you're gonna be into your account page, this page right here. To download your theme, please review the left sidebar of menus. We have dashboard, order, subscriptions, API downloads, download address, methods, account, and logout. Go to API downloads, okay? And right here, you're gonna be able to see your product to download. I have the lifetime membership, so I'm gonna click on download. And this is gonna start the download of all the Visualmodo WordPress themes to my site. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes to download all your themes library. We have optimized our server, so the process should be really fast, okay? Simple, everything, it's downloaded. Now you're gonna need to open this file, but we're gonna explore this later. Imagine that you would like to install, for example, let me show you. We would like to install our IT WordPress theme, this theme right here, okay? You would like to install our IT WordPress theme. You like this work and you would like to install this theme right here to have your site looking like this one right here and with options to fully customize your site. How to do this? First thing, go to your website and login, okay? To login normally is your domain plus WP login, WP admin, okay? After this, you're gonna be into your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over appearance and click on themes, okay? And once right here, next to themes, you're gonna be able to see an option called add new theme, this button right here. Click on it. Then you're gonna need to click on upload theme. And you're gonna need to select the file. What file? Remember that you did have downloaded our WordPress zip. You need to open this file. Normally you can use WinRAR or other software, but you need to open this file and extract from this file the theme that I would like to download. I would like to download the IT WordPress theme, so let me locate it. It's right here. So I'm gonna open this file. Then we have right here the contents of the theme. I need to open theme files, and right here I have the theme ready to download and the theme child. I'm gonna extract both files. I'm gonna simply drag and drop into another place of my computer, for example into downloads, just like this. And now I have IT and IT child into my downloads folder. If I open the master bundle, I can repeat the process for every single theme, but I need to do this, okay? After, go to choose file, go to downloads, and select the it.zip, okay? This file right here. Click on install now. So the theme has been installed successfully. All we have to do is click on activate and follow the to-do list that I'm gonna explore later to have your site looking like the theme demo website. But we have to install the essential plugins and import demo. But I'm gonna explore this into a new video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you tomorrow. All the best.